Okay, so this is a look at room 3210. Here's a map of Disney's Pop Century Resort. You can see all the buildings are kind of T-shaped. So, here's a look around the room. I'll get to this in a minute. So over here you have the mini fridge, coffee maker, plugs, climate controls, more plugs here on the countertop, large TV, phone, USB ports at the bedside, more USB ports on the other side, and here in the bathroom you got closet, ironing board, iron, sink area, shower, and yes, okay, so now this room actually has two beds in it. Let's see if I can get this to stand here. Yeah, okay. So this room actually has two beds in it. Second bed folds down from the wall. One person, I don't really need it. So you got a kitchen table here, two chairs, and that's it.